In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the liftgate support struts, or pistons, on this Ford C-Max. There are two of them and I recommend replacing both at the same time. Let's get started. Follow the piston all the way to the top and you'll see that it's clipped in with this metal clip. Before you unhook anything, have the liftgate supported either with your other arm or have an assistant help you out, because one piston is not enough to hold the weight of it. Now take a pocket screwdriver and pry this metal clip out. I prefer to leave the pocket screwdriver stuck in there temporarily so I can pull the clip and unlock the strut. Wiggle it out while pulling up on the liftgate, just so you can release it. Hold the liftgate at this point and you can remove your tool from here. Clean up the mount. You want to make sure there's no debris left on it. Also, sometimes these rust out really bad. If it is rusted, you're going to want to replace it. Now take your new strut and clip it on to the post. Now follow the piston all the way to the bottom and do the same thing. Undo this little metal clip, pull this out. Grab your new one, push up on the liftgate if needed to line it up. Press it in position. There you have it. Do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.